Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm an author and I'm a coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. Why is that so important? It's so important because how you start your day is how you start your day. And imagine walking into your closet and just feeling at ease, no frustration, no angst. Everything in there is things that you love, things that fit, and things that you wear on a regular basis. You can go into the world confident, knowing you look your best. That's the work I do. So a tool that I love to use every day for myself to help me keep my wardrobe curated, because it is a constant thing, it just never stops, is I ask myself 3 questions at the end of the day. It's called the edit. What worked? What didn't work? And how can I make it better? Those are the 3 questions. So yesterday I challenged you to tell me what worked for you. And I highly recommend you ask yourself that every day. It's super important to train your brain to look for what's positive in your life, in your wardrobe, about your body. Notice those things and appreciate them. If you had a hard time deciding what you loved about what you wore yesterday, that's okay. Today's another day. You have another chance. So you ask yourself the question, what worked? And you do that first because, like I said, you're training yourself to look for the positive. The second question is, what didn't work? And that is not a contradiction. It's just curious. Just curious. Did something not work for you today? And as you have that question in the back of your mind throughout the day, it helps you to be aware of your clothes, aware of how comfortable they are, aware of when you catch yourself in the mirror, whether it's the look you want or not. Awareness, it's the key. And then the third question is, how can I make it better? And that is just also an exercise in using your imagination. And it's really doing work in advance, because the next time you go to wear that thing, you're like, oh, let me make it better. I already know how. Okay? So I'll just show you how it's done. It's so easy. So today I wore all black. It was a stormy day. We had tornado watches and it was very hot and humid. But I wanted to try out this shirt that was recently given to me. It is butter. And I was curious about butter in humidity. So I just wore it with a pair of black straight pants, love, and glitter shoes. I highly, highly recommend. If you see glitter shoes, buy them. Not only does it put a spring in your step, but it just spreads a little bit of happiness everywhere. It may also spread a little glitter everywhere too. Okay, so what worked? I really love this top. It was breathable, it was light. I really, really like it. I love the shoes as well. And the pants are super comfortable. I also love a pillar look. I love head to toe one color. I love head to toe solid because it is a simple look. There is no place for the eye to land, and so then it gives the illusion of length, and I love that because I'm only 5'2". Okay, so what did not work? I was thinking about this shirt all day because I really have been so curious about this fabric for a long time, and what I was thinking about all day is, do I want to buy the pants that go with it? The answer is yes, of course. I would say nothing did not work, because I was very comfortable. And actually, I'm never much of a mock turtleneck person, but what I did like about it is, like, you don't really need to wear an accessory with it because it is an accessory in itself. So I'll have to say that nothing did not work. How can I make it better? That's question number 3. How can I make it better? Like I said, I wouldn't wear an accessory with it. Maybe different earrings, or maybe hair down, and maybe different shoes. Otherwise, I really love the look. I love it. I love it. I love it a lot. So that's how you do the edit, edit, edit. So what I learned is I love this buttery soft shirt. What I learned is I want to buy the pants to match. What I learned is, though I generally would not go for a mock turtleneck, I don't mind it because it kind of simplifies the look. So when you do the edit, edit, edit every day in your wardrobe, it helps to inform you of what you love, of what you don't love. And also it gets your imagination going about how you can make it better. And this is all information that is so helpful. It's also information you can use to go into your closet and maybe mine for things you already have. When your imagination was like, oh, well, maybe a hot pink scarf would go amazing with this. Whatever, I don't know. Then you're like, oh, I think I have that. I hope you try the edit, edit, edit. I hope you can look down at what you're wearing right now and tell me what worked. It's really an important exercise, and it will feel really good for you and your brain to admit, what worked today? It also will encourage you to, put the effort in the mornings so that you have something that you can celebrate at the end of the day. That's how it works. If you have questions about it, just raise your hand. I am a closet coach. I help women in their closets and in their life. If you need help curating a wardrobe you love or curating a life you love, just raise your hand. I'm here to help. I hope you have a fantastic Wednesday. Talk soon. Bye.